Hello and welcome to today's financial news brought to you by Skyriss. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Nvidia stock surged 5.8% on Wednesday to $207.83, lifted by strong semiconductor sector momentum and broader market optimism tied to easing Middle East tensions. The Nikkei index jumped 6% on Thursday, reaching a new record, as strong technology earnings and growing expectations of a Middle East peace deal lifted global risk sentiment. U.S. gasoline futures traded at around $3.46 per gallon after plunging more than 4%, as the potential end to the war between the U.S. and Iran improved the Middle East supply outlook. The British pound climbed to around $1.36, reaching its strongest level since February, as the U.S. dollar's safe haven appeal faded amid growing optimism over a potential U.S.-Iran agreement. Ether slipped about 1% to $2,300 on Thursday, as traders reduced exposure amid weaker exchange-traded fund inflows and cooling network activity. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 9 a.m., the retail sales in the euro area are expected to decrease, after reaching -0.2% in February. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the initial jobless claims of May 2nd, following 189,000 on the period ending April 25th. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. to release the non-farm payrolls for April, following 178,000 jobs in March. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the unemployment rate of April, following 4.3% in March.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us today and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.